Welcome, students. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do long division for whole numbers. So let's come up with one example, and you should be able to do other examples just like that. So let's see, let's come up with one. Okay, so let's do 625 divided by 25. So let's say you want to write 625 divided by 25. You have to write it like this. 625 goes under this symbol here, and then the 25 goes here. The way you do it is like this. How many digits you have here? You have 2 digits. So then you gotta look at the 2 digits here. If the 25 is greater than 62, then you have to bring another digit to the gain. But right now 25 can be 62 can divide 25. So how many times as 25 goes into 62? That's 2 times. So 2 times 25 is equal to 50. Then you do minus 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, then that's 25. You have to divide 12 again with 25. So is 25 greater than 12? Yes. That means that you have to bring down another digit. So 125. Now, does 25 goes in is less than 125? Yes. That means that we can divide 125 with 25. So how many times does 25 goes into 125? It goes 5 times. Then 25 times 5, that's 125. We subtract it. 125 minus 125 is 0. So the remainder is 0. So this is your solution. Thank you very much.